Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. I'm
Yes, hi everyone. Alright everyone, I guess you can hear me very clear, and we're gonna start live session for physics first of all, followed by mathematics. There were a little bit of technical error, so pardon us, it's fine, it happens technically. So please stay tuned, grab your pen and paper, and let me start for our first physics question. Here we go. So the first part asks you, the following four circuits have made for studying the dependence of current and potential difference, guys. See, get the question very properly, all right? So they are telling that we need to see the dependence for current, right, denoted by I, everybody knows, and potential difference denoted by V, and I need to figure out which circuit has been made correctly. All right, so first of all, I welcome you guys in online classes with Brilliant group of institution, and we're gonna start some 16 days of challenge where we're gonna solve lots of different MCQs. And let me tell you, these MCQs are hand-picked, right, where you can see clearly the CBSE 2013, 2016, and it will go on, right? So with that energy, grab your pen, paper, I'm repeating again, all right, and let me start. So as I was discussing, the first question was, I need to figure out potential difference, dependence of current and potential difference, and to do so we did construct this four circuit, and we need to figure out which is the correct one. All right, so guys, the correct one will be, you guys need to keep on answering in your chat box. All right, so I will try picking up step by step. Here I have the chats. All right, I can see it's echoing like crazy. No sound, we cannot hear your voice, sir. Am I audible? Can you give me an assurance that you guys can hear me very clear? Am I clear? Tell me you guys are hearing me. Yes, Nitin, Shivam, now it's fine. All right, perfect. Vidya Lakshmi, perfect. All right, okay, crazy gamers, it's fine, please change your name. Perfect, Shivam. All right. Now I'm getting some positivity finally, and we are starting with the first question. Of course, the answer will be A, right? How it is A, I'll just show you. Like, please see the wrong answer first of all. Like, see, the positive part of the battery is connected to the negative terminal of the ammeter. So positive should be connected with positive, right? So therefore this part is wrong. Let me see here. Positive is connected with positive. However, this positive is connected with negative in the voltmeter. So this is gonna be wrong as well. And let me see, positive is connected with negative. So this is wrong as well. Now let me see the correct diagram. See guys, positive is connected with the positive hand of the ammeter. Similarly, the positive is connected with the positive. Therefore, the first diagram is correct. So let me know. This is very easy. All right. That's good. Let me go ahead with the next question, guys. If you can hear me that clear. All right. The next question is to study the dependence of current. Once again, to study the dependence of current and potential difference across resistor R. two students use the two sets as shown in figure A and figure B. So these are the work of two students that you can see in figure A and figure B, guys. All right. And what we gonna find this here. All right. So for the two students, the ammeter and voltmeter reading will be maximum. See properly what I am trying to explain is, where is the ammeter? All right, so we need to figure out like where you have maximum ammeter and voltmeter reading. In other words, they are asking where is the value for current will be maximum and what is the value for voltmeter will be maximum. So we are figuring out where the reading will be maximum, guys. So let me see properly. All right, to get the maximum reading of potential difference, you have four junctions here to connect: 1, 2, 3 and 4. All right, similarly you have 4 points over here. Let me take the first figure where if I connect in this part, like let's say I'm connecting here. All right, let's say I'm connecting here. So if I'm connecting here, guys, so what happens is, all right, I get the maximum potential difference. Now if I get this maximum potential difference in the battery, that makes sense that the potential difference here will also increase. So if the potential difference increases, we also know that the current will increase as well. Let me make it once again that clear. What I am trying to explain is, all right, so they're asking us to figure out which have the maximum current and where we will get the maximum potential difference, right, in ammeter reading and of course in voltmeter reading. And to do so, ammeter reading and voltmeter reading, to do so I have 4 points to be connected here: 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So what I will do is that I will connect in this junction. So when I do this, I can clearly see the potential difference gonna increase. All right, and once the potential difference increases, of course the current will also start increasing. So let's say in first setup A, in first figure A, I will connect in D part, guys. So set up A, I will connect in D part. Now if I see this, all right, if I see this, so what I can see that if I connect over here, all right, if I connect over here, it gives me the total potential difference over here. Now what happens if I connect in B part, if I connect in C part, and if I connect in D part? Step by step, once again you understand. So if I connect in here in B point, right, so what I'm adding resistance in the circuit, right? So what if I add resistance in the circuit? Now if I'm adding resistances in the circuit, then the resistance of this particular circuit will increase, and if it increases, of course the current will reduce, right? So here I will try to figure out and I will try to make this resistance minimum such that I will get more current and more potential difference. To do so, I will connect over here. So when I connect this here, I can clearly see the potential difference will increase and ammeter reading will increase. Why so? Because you are giving the maximum of the potential difference without using the resistance. All right, so clearly in set B, where you will fix in A. So in set B, you're gonna fix in A. So out of all these three, I will put this. Pick number 3 as your answer. So very good, option 3 is correct. John is giving me answer, Vidya Lakshmi is giving me answer, Krishna is giving me answer, Atmana is also giving me answer. All right, perfect. This is really good. Now let's see this question. All right, relaxed, see the question properly. The question tells that an electric bulb is rated 220 volt. So we have an electric bulb, guys. Now this bulb is rated, what is the potential difference? 220 volts. So let me write it, potential difference V is equals to 220 volt. This is the potential difference I have got. What is the power of this particular bulb? The power of this particular bulb is how much? 100 watt. Now next part is when it is operated at 110 volt. Now when this potential difference is operated at how much? 110 volt. When this bulb is operated at 110 volt, what will be the power? All right, guys, once again you listen to me very carefully. All right, so the question goes like that: you have got a potential difference of how much? 220 volt of what? Of this particular bulb. All right, and what the power it provides? It provides a power of 100 watt. All right. Now the question goes like this: what happens if the same bulb runs in 110 volt? What gonna be the power? Difference is directly proportional to power. You can't take this. All right. So instead, what I will do, first of all, I will try to figure out the resistance of this particular bulb. I am telling you once again, what I am gonna do, I will figure out resistance of this particular. We can't hear you again. No sound again. All right, Aditya. Can you guys hear me again? There are some technical error, guys. There are sound came, sir. All right. Today, sound, which is a form of energy that makes sensation in our ear, is not giving the appearance over here. Now you can hear. Perfect, guys. This is what I need from you people. I feel it like I'm interacting with you all. That's really good. All right, guys. So now what I'm gonna do in this part, I will try figuring out the resistance. And what's your formula, guys? P is equals with V square divided by R, or I can make R is equals with V square divided by P, right? So from here, V square, I will take 220 into 220 divided by power is 100 watt, right? I gonna cancel now, next 0 and 0, 0 gone. So 2, 2, 2, we will multiply it. Your answer will be guys 484 ohm. Perfect. Now with this resistance, I will figure out the power here. Once again, we'll use the same formula, utilizing, all right, P is equals with V square divided by R. This time I will take the given potential difference, how much, 110 into 110 divided by this value of resistance 484, right? 2 zeros gonna cancel, right? You're gonna multiply here, so 1 1 1 1, very easy type of multiplication. So 121 and 2 zeros. Sorry, I did a small mistake over here. Just give me some time. All right, give me some time. I just murdered right now. All right, so 110 into 110 divided by resistance is 484, right? So this becomes 12100 divided by 484. What's your answer now, guys? Your answer will be 25 ohm. Perfect. That's how you got it. All right. I guess you got me that clear. How you are getting 25 watt, sorry, the power is watt, right? And you got this answer. All right, guys, what I have did, once again, listen to me that carefully. All right, so from this part, I figure out from potential difference and power, I figured out the resistance, and what accordingly resistance, V square divided by P. I put all the values which I got to be 484 ohm, right? After that, I use the same formula, P is equals with V square divided by R, to find out the power from this part. Now you're gonna tell, sir, why I'm utilizing this resistance over here. Very clear answer, all right? Very clear answer. See, guys, we are talking about a bulb, right? And what will be constant in this for the particular bulb? In the different potential difference, you will tell, sir, resistance will constant. So that is what you need to do here. First of all, find out the resistance. This resistance you will fix over here and you figure out your answer. Tell me, guys, everybody got this? Give a thumbs up in the chat box, please. Let me see. All right, that's really good. All right. Now I have this question for you. All right, so what you have here, In the circuit ABCD, switch S is open. So see the condition, switch S is open. Where is the switch? You will tell the switch is here, sir. The S is open. Clearly you see in all four parts the S are open. Alright. The lamps Q and R would light up. See, the lamps Q and R would light up. Where the Q and R will light up? Where the Q and R will light up? And to figure out where the Q and R will light up. Now, to figure out where it is lighting up, you will see that it gonna light up in B part, where it is very clearly visible positive terminal, negative current flows from positive to negative terminal. This is a closed circuit, right? Apart from this, you don't have a closed circuit. Here it's an open, it's an open, it's an open. Take your time to understand. Very easy question. All right, all right, all right. Perfect, guys, perfect. Your answers here is really helping me. Afzal Ali, exactly it is B. Exactly it is B. All right, now this is a kind of little bit of tougher one to go. I want you guys to see this question for some time and let me know what gonna be its answer. All right, the question is two conducting wire of same material. So you got a two conducting wire of same material of equal length and equal diameters. So two conducting wires of same material of equal length and equal diameter, all right, are first connected in series and then in parallel across same potential difference. So this is one of a very good question. This repeatedly comes in exam and here I am answering for you how to solve this. All right, perfect. All right, perfect. See how to solve this. To solve this, let me see the first part of the question. Two conducting wire of same material, equal length, equal diameter. The three parts are given. Same length, same material, equal length and equal diameter, right? So this is the first part given in this question. Now, since length, diameter and material is same, guys, resistance gonna remain same, of course, right? Here resistance will be remaining same. So let the resistance of the both wire will be R. How come I'm taking the resistance same for the both different wire? Wire number 1, wire number 2, both the resistance are same because questions are screaming and telling you that this is same material, equal length, equal diameter. All right, all right, all right, guys. Now, first connect them in series. See the first part of the question. They're asking us to connect in series. Now to connect in series, I will be taking the formula for series R1 plus R2, right? This will be R plus R. That will be equals with twice R. See guys, here R1 is equals with R2 is equals with R. R1 and R2 both are R. So first they're asking us to connect in series. Therefore I connected them in series, and as per as series, RS is equals with R1 plus R2. You got R plus R, that is equals with twice R. All right, now what is the next half you have? They're asking us to connect in parallel again. Now to connect in parallel, I will use the formula 1 by RP is equals with 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. That will be equals with 1 by R plus 1 by R. All right, you're gonna take LCM R, 1 plus 1, that will be 2 divided by R. At the end you are reciprocating it. When you do this, RP becomes equals with R divided by 2. Perfect. So what I did here, I was just going accordingly question, okay? So they're asking us to connect in series, as I did it over here. When I connected in series, this is my answer, right? Then they're asking us to connect in parallel. When I did so, this is my answer for parallel. All right, now what's the question they're asking? They're asking to find out the ratio of heat produced. The ratio of heat produced in series, the ratio of heat produced in series, the ratio of heat produced in series and heat produced in parallel. Okay, and to find out the ratio of heat produced in series and parallel and what gonna be its answer. Let me see the chat box, guys. Many of you are in C and B, D, C, B, D. That's really good, really good. All right, answer is here. That's good. All right, you need to study more, guys. Very good. Sabita Sil, right. All right, Sabnur Fatima, very good. Atmana 1:4, really good. All right, let me see what gonna be our answer then. All right, guys, let me see. So I'm gonna do little bit of extra here, and I will tell you why I am doing this. I am finding out current is equals with V by R, and I'm finding out current in series first of all. All right. So when I do so, I am taking the potential difference as V. See, they're asking both are connected in same potential difference. If it is visible, they are connected in same potential difference. So let me take the potential difference as V. So when I do this, all right. So V divided by resistance in series is twice R, right? So this is the current in series, all right. Similarly, I'm gonna find out current in parallel. So that will be equals to V by RP. Those who are wondering what is this S doing, I mean current in series. What is P doing? P means current in parallel, and rest is your regular formula. I is equals to V divided by R. After that, I will take the same potential difference. What is the value for RP? RP is R divided by 2. When you solve it back, it becomes 2 divided by R. Here you go. I'm quite comfortable now. All right. So we're gonna go right from here. Really good. All right. All right. So you got current in series is V divided by 2R and current in parallel 2V divided by R. Now we will find out heat in series. Okay. Next step I'm taking here, I will try figuring out heat in series, and let me see what gonna be the heat in series. So heat in series, first of all, we will put the formula H is equals with I square RT, right? H is equals with I square RT. Since I'm finding out heat in series, I will put S everywhere. Why I'm doing so? Because question is asking find out heat in series and find out heat in parallel. So when I do so, I will see that the current value in series is this, right? V divided by twice R. Okay, V divided by twice R, V divided by twice R, and you got a whole square here into resistance in series. So resistance in series is what? Twice R. So twice R into, you have got time as T, and I will continue solving it. It becomes V square divided by 4 times R square into twice R into T, right? Next, I'm gonna try to cancel it. So twice R, it goes twice time, right? So what is your answer over here? You will tell me that, sir, heat in series is V square into T divided by twice R, and here you go. You got the heat in series. All right. So what you gonna do next? You're gonna figure out the heat in parallel. You need to figure out the heat in parallel. And to figure out heat in parallel, once again the same strategy. S is equals with I square RT. You have P, P, and P representing the parallel terms, right? So current in parallel, there you go, 2V divided by R. So you will tell 2V divided by R. 2V divided by R, and you have a whole square, so you will put whole square into RP. RP is here R divided by 2, all right, into, you got time. All right, next you will start solving it. All right, so what you will do next, you will take 4V square divided by R square into R divided by 2 into T, right? Clearly, I will start cancelling it. So when I do so, R got cancelled, and you have in 1 R. 2 got cancelled. There you go. What is your answer? You will tell, sir, 2V square into T divided by R is what left over. Heat in parallel. You guys are getting me so far? All right. You are getting me heat in series. This is the value. Heat in parallel. This is the value. All right. Now you start figuring out the ratio. So let me start figuring out the ratio of both. So I will take the ratio in this center. All right. In this central part, I will take the ratio of both. See how I am taking it. So you will tell, sir, ratio in series is to ratio in parallel, right? That will be equals with, what are the values in series? V square into T, right? Divided by twice R, right? Is to, you will take 2V square into T divided by, R, right? So next you will reciprocal it into T divided by twice R into R divided by 2V square into T. When you do so, now you start cancelling it. There you go, T and T gone, V square gone, R and R gone. What left over? 1 divided by 2, 2 times is 4, which can be also written as 1 is to 4. This is your answer. This is your answer. Guys, very, very clear. Very, very clear. That clear. In the first step, you will find out resistance in series, twice R. In the second step, you will do in parallel R by 2, and in the third step you find out current in series, current in parallel. So after that you will find out heat in series, heat in parallel, and finally you will figure out the ratio. There are steps involved. Tell me you guys did understood. Tell me you guys this understood. All right, can you just put a thumbs up? All right, I can see K-pop is crying. Don't do, bro. They don't cry, they sing at least. All right, relax and rocks, that's fine. Please come with your real name, guys. Afzal, very good. Mirza, that's good, Mridul, really good. All right, so you guys are getting me that clear now. Here you go, one of our most important question. All right, first of all we'll start doing this, and it appeared in 2011 in CBSE. Let me see what we have here. Alright guys, the question is in the scale of ammeter as shown in figure. We need to find out the least count. We need to find out the least count of the ammeter. We need to find out the least count of the ammeter. We need to count out the least count of the ammeter. Everybody, least count of the ammeter. Alright, please tell me the answers. What do you think so the answer will be? What do you think the answer will be? What do you think the answer? Arun Kumar, you need to study more, guys. All right, good, very good. Nitin, very good. All right. That's really good. All right. So let me see how to solve this, guys. What is least count first of all? A lowest value in any measuring instrument. In short, right? And precise, a lowest value in any measuring instrument. So what is the lowest value over here? This part. So we need to find out what is the value for this. What is the value for this? We need to find out what is the value for this. And to do so, we will take the formula of least count, value measured in nth division. Least count is value measured in nth division. What is the value measured in nth division? 2. 2 is the value measured in nth division. Alright, so I'll put 2 divided by number of divisions. How many number of divisions you have? Just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 divided by 10. What gonna be your answer, guys? What gonna be your answer? 0.2. Perfect, Samir. All right. 0.2, and it is ampere. Right. So that's how you figure out the least count. Value measured in nth division divided by number of division. Tell me first of all, give me an assurance you guys are understanding whatever happening from this side. Just show some fires, some hearts, right? I'm in need of that. Let me know that you guys are listening me very carefully. Everything all right? I appreciate your participation in the class. Abdul Farhan, very good brother. All right. Perfect. All right, guys. All right, so let me see the next question we have. Okay, the least count of voltmeter as shown in, and to figure out the least count, I go the same way how we have been doing. So least count is value measured in n division. What is the value? You will tell me, sir. It is, what is the value? You will tell me, sir. 1 divided by number of division is 5. All right, once again, least count is value measured in n division divided by number of division. All right, this is 1 divided by number of division is 5. So 1 divided by 5. All right. So 1 divided by 5. What is your answer? You're gonna tell me, sir. The answer is 0.2 volt. Perfect. Now it's time to take a look on this question, and I want you guys to do this and send the answer. Then only I will go ahead with this. This is a kind of test. Let's see how many of you guys will answer this. Let's see. Ali, I really appreciate your participation, right? I can see that's really good. Samir, that's really good. All right, Raihan, 0.2. I want you guys to answer this and please see what's gonna be the answer. I will call the name of the student who gives me the right answer here. Please, all right, you need to write the complete answer. All right, I'm getting it. All right. Perfect. Let me see what gonna be this answer. So as you shall find out the least count, you're gonna tell sir least count will be equals with 100 divided by 5. Clearly visible, right? Least count is 100 divided by 5. 100 and divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. What's your answer? 20. What's your answer? 20. That meaning a particular division over here is 20, right? So particular division over is 20, right? 40, 60, 80 and 100. And where is this meter is pointing towards? Where is this meter is pointing towards? It is pointing over here, over here, over here. Now this part is how much? Clearly you see after 100 how many division? 1, 2, 3, 4 divisions. So 80, right? So it is 180. This is the value for current, but note it is in milliampere. But note guide, it is in milliampere. Very good. 10 ohm, 10 ohm. Mohit, you need to study more. Very good. All right. All right. Perfect. Perfect. So you have 180 milliampere and I'm gonna make it 180 into 10 raised to a minus 3 ampere. Right? So what I did here, I did convert it, guys. I did convert it 180 milliampere to ampere. You have to do so, right? In the standard unit. After that, I will see the least count of this voltmeter. So what gonna be the least count of this particular voltmeter, guys? So you will tell sir least count will be equals with value measured in n division is 1 divided by number of division is 5. 1 is 0.1, right? Clear? So this is volt. Now first division is of how much? You will tell sir it is 0.1. See the pointer where it is pointing. You will tell sir pointer is pointing over here. Visible, right? Visible, right? Now since this pointer is pointing over here, right? So 1 after that 0.1, right? Sorry. This should be 0.2. All right. All right. All right. So you have 1, right? 0.2, 0.4, right? 0.6 and 0.8. Right? So what is your potential difference here? You will tell sir potential difference is 1.8 volt. Perfectly all right. So check this out once again. What I did is that clear. Check this out once again. What I did is that clear, guys. That clear. Thanks, Mridul. Right? It is 0.2. All right. Perfect. So see, I value is 180 milliampere, which I did convert it into 180 into 10 raised to a minus 3 ampere. Perfect. After that, what I did, I figured out the least count of here. So which I got 0.2 and potential difference is 1.8 volt. Perfect. Perfect. Now I will find out the current. What's the formula? I is equals with V divided by R. What is the value for V? What is the value for V? 1.8. And what is the current value? Before that, I will try figuring out the resistance. R is equals with V divided by I. Since the question is asking us to figure out what is the resistance of this resistor. There you go. You have got current value, you have got potential difference, and you need to find out the resistance. All right. To do so, what I will do now. What is the potential difference? You're going to tell sir 1.8. What is the current? You will tell me 180 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Right. So what will be my next step? 1.8 into 10 raised to power plus 3 divided by 180. What I did here, I did pull this out as numerator, right? So minus 3 will become plus 3. Perfectly. All right. After that, I will multiply. I will get 1800. If I multiply the numerators and in denominator, I have 180. Cancel it. Your answer is 10 SI unit ohm. Perfectly. All right. Perfectly. All right. This is your answer. Let me see how many of you have answered. Right. Mridul. Perfect. All right. Cyrus. Raihan. Very good. Atmana, very good. Ali, very good. All right. All right. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect rhythms. All right. So let me go ahead with our next question. So here I've got a little bit of interesting one. Just have a look and I'm gonna explain it very properly. The question is, a wire of resistance R is pulled until its length is double. So a wire of resistance R is pulled until its length is double. So you have a wire of resistance R is pulled until its length is double. So let me consider this is the wire. Check it out very properly. And it has a resistance R. So let the length of this particular wire be. Let the length of this particular wire be L. And let the area of this particular wire be A. Alright. And resistivity be, let it be rho. Correct? So in this question of the particular wire, what is given, you're gonna tell me, sir, the only thing which is given over here is the resistance, which is R. And what I'm gonna do with this, I will hold it and I will start pulling it like this. Getting me clear? So I'll hold this wire and I'll start pulling it like this until when? Until its length is double. So this is the condition. So until its length is double, there you go. The condition of the question is coming out that your length is twice L. Length is double. Length is double. Right? So you have a length of L, you are holding it and you're pulling it like that. You are pulling up to when? Until the length becomes double. And everybody should know here one small physics, that if you are changing the dimension, all right, the resistance will change. And one more thing I need to tell you here, if this length is doubling, guys, the area will exactly become half. That's the physics over here. That meaning if you make it 3 times more, area will be reducing by 3 times. All right, all right, all right, okay, all right, all right, all right. So now let me see the question once again. So I have got a wire of resistance R. There you go. Let area be A, length be L, and resistivity is rho. Okay, so what I have did with this wire, I pulled it until its length is double. So I got this wire, I pulled it until its length is double. So on doing so, guys, the dimension is changing. What is the dimension changing? If I make the length double, it twice L and area becomes an half. And what I know about resistance, guys, wherever the length and area will change, resistance will also change, because resistance is a type of a physical quantity which depends upon length and area. Very clear. The resistance, which is R, which gonna be changing now, either it becomes R, twice R, thrice R, and 4R. Let's see how many of you have been answered this. All right, Mridul, Nitin, all right, Haran, very good. I should see my people also. I don't see. All right, please comment. Let me see you people are here. All right, Atmana, very good, always participating. Right, Raihan, very good. Karthik, all right. Sabnur, very good, you are here. All right, perfectly all right. Many of you are answering 4R. All right, all right, all right. So I guess you are known with this question. Let me try answering it. So if I apply this formula, R is equals with rho L by A. So what is the value for resistance over here? Resistivity is rho, length is L, and area is A itself. So I can't do anything apart in this equation. So I'm just keeping it as equation number 1. All right, all right. Then here now, the new resistance which it gonna change, it won't remain R, right? It will change. Why it will change? Because I am changing the dimension, and resistance depend upon dimension. So it becomes rho, all right. L, instead of L, I will write twice L, and I will write A divided by 2. What gonna happen here? You will tell twice L will become 4 times L, rho 4 times L divided by A. And the end, what I will do, I will take the 4 out and arrange rho L by A. What happened here? See once again, what happened here? So R is equals with rho, replacing L, I have written twice L, and replacing A, I have written A by 2. So these are the values which I have kept. After that, this 2 will go multiply in the top. I know this much mathematics, everybody knows here. So it becomes 4L, and I will take this 4 outside. So when I took this 4 outside, what left over on the other side? You will tell rho L by A. 4 into, what is the value for rho L by A? Rho L by A is previous R. See this, guys, rho L by A, rho L by A, rho L by A is previously R of this part. Clear, clear, clear. That this resistance, guys, will increase by how many times? It will increase by 4 times. Tell me, everybody got me this very clear? Everybody got me this very clear? Tell me. Laughing out loud, Anirudh? ROFL? Yeah? All right. Very good. All right. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Let's see next. A wire of resistance 4 ohm is doubled on it. All right. A wire of resistance 4 ohm is doubled on it. What gonna happen next? What gonna happen next about the new resistance? Try to fix the answer, what it will be. Let me see. Let me see what gonna be the answer. All right, everyone. Let me see what gonna be the answer. That's farther, Anirudh. That's a good one. Appreciated. All right. All right. What gonna be the answer, guys? What gonna be the answer, everyone? What gonna be the answer? All right. I'm gonna help you out with what gonna be the answer. See. All right, see properly what gonna be the answer. So a wire of resistance 4 ohm is doubled on it. Its new resistance will be. So see, this is the wire I have. All right, this is the wire I have. Doubled in it means right from the center I folded it like that. This is the wire. Right from the center I folded it like that. Understanding? So that's the meaning of doubled in it. So this is the wires. Let's suppose this is the one. Let us take the length be L. Let us take area be A and resistivity as rho as usual. All right. So these are the taken value: length, area, and resistivity. Next, I am in the question it is given resistance value is how many ohm? You will tell sir 4 ohm. So this is the first part of the question, a wire of resistance 4 ohm. So when it tells that wire of resistance 4 ohm, so here R value is 4 ohm, clearly visible. I have taken length as L, area as A, and resistivity as rho. Perfect. Now what I did, I doubled on it. That's what I was trying to explain. I taken this wire like that and I doubled it like this. I've taken this wire like that and doubled it like this. So when I do this, what happens? 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 So this is what will happen. Okay, I'm just trying to make the picture of it. So this is what will happen for the wire. There you go. So what happens with the length? If I double right from the center, the length will become half, right? So L divided by 2. What will happen to the area? Area will be A plus A. That will be equals with 2 times A. That is our physics, guys. As I told you before, if check out in this part. If length is twice L, area became half. If length is twice L, area became half. Similarly, over here, if length is half, area will become double. It goes vice versa. All right, opposite way. Many of you are answering it's 1 ohm. All right, perfect. Let me see what gonna be the answer. See here, guys. So you will apply the same. R is equals with rho L by A. What is the value for R? You're gonna tell 4 equals with rho L divided by A. Perfect. I can see most people, those who are answering, I'm gonna title you people as ultra legend. All right, all are ultra legend here. Those who are answering. Those who are not answering, you guys are just legend, all right? But still you guys are a legend. So I want you guys to be an ultra legend and please answer here. This keeps me interacting, all right? It keeps me going. Otherwise, I feel I'm teaching a camera over here. Mridul, all right, ultra legend, right? Perfect. So legendary peoples, start commenting. All right, perfect. So you're gonna tell me R is equals with rho L by A. Resistance is for rho L by A, and I will solve here now. R dash, which gonna be changing. I already told you that resistance is a physical quantity which depends upon the dimension, right? It depends upon length, it depends upon area. So since length and area is changing, resistance will change. How much it will change? So that we're gonna explain again. So it is rho. Now replacing L, I will write L by 2, and over here I will write twice, and then A. All right, so those who are not understanding, I can make one more step over here. Rho divided by L. What I did over here is rho, replacing L, I have written L by 2, okay, and replacing A, I have wrote twice A. All right, so what gonna be the next? Next will be L by 2 into 1 by 2A. All right, once again, this much mathematics everybody knows. So rho will R dash will be equals with rho. L into 1 is L divided by 2 into 2 is 4 times A. What happened here? Those who didn't got me, I'll just explain it once again. Don't worry. So rho L by 2 into 1 by twice A. This value got reciprocal, right? So it's gonna be rho L divided by 4 times A. And what I will take it, 1 by 4 into rho L by A. Perfectly all right. I took out 1 by 4 outside, and what left over? Rho L by A. Arranging. Why I'm arranging this? Because I know equation 1, which is rho L by A, is equals with 4. So this entire rho L by A, I will replace with 4. Here I go. My answer is 1. Resistance R dash SI unit is ohm. Tell me, guys, you guys are getting me? Yes, Dipali, I'm seeing your answer. Perfect. All right. Yes, you got very nice mark this time. I want you to continue with this. Perfect. All right. Anirudh. All right. Okay, I am so comfortable now. All right. In the beginning, I was not though. There was some problem with sound. All right. Perfectly all right. Ultimate ultra legend. That's really good one. All right. All right. All right, Karthik. Perfect. Perfect. So you guys are getting me. So you guys are champion now in solving MCQ. So that's how you need to work hard. And when you work hard, definitely you're gonna rock in MCQ questions where you are losing lots of marks. Let me see our next question, guys. Let me see our next question, guys. So here you have few questions where it is very clearly a battery of 9 volt is connected in series with 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. I'll draw this condition. Till then you read the question, okay? I'll draw this condition. This is a first resistor, second resistor, third resistor, fourth resistor, and fifth resistor. All right? All right? All right. And what is the potential difference followed? The potential difference given is 9 volt, 9 volt. All right? And you have an ammeter connected here. There you go. There you go. Right? Switch is on. So let me write what are the values over here. So you got 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohms. So these are the value for resistors which are connected in series. Now read the question. So a 9 volt, I can see a 9 volt over here connected in series. Connected in series, how much? 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12 ohm. All right. All right. So you have connected this, right, with 9 volt battery. Now the question is how much current would flow in 12 ohm resistor? How much current will flow in 12 ohm resistors? Everybody, how much resistance in 12 ohm resistor? All right, please answer. I know it's a complicated one. All right, let's see who answers. I'm waiting. Option A, Anirudh. Option A, Anirudh. Anirudh is here with answer. Option E, we did it before, sir. All right, that's really good. See how updated we are. You already got this question. Perfect. All right. So see, majority of you guys will solve it like this. I is equals with, since I'm asking you to get current, your root will be I is equals with V by R. That's your approach, right? Formula I is equals with V by R. All right, these guys, very good. All right, so I is equals with V by R, right? So majority of you will do like this. See, the question is asked to find out the current in 12 ohm resistor. So you're gonna take 12 ohm like that and you will take 9 and you will solve it. Because question is asking to get in 12 ohm. Guys, this is cold-blooded murder once again, okay? You can't do like this. Majority will try to do like that, but you can't do like this. Why so? Because we know total current gonna remain same in series. So instead of taking this like that, you will take voltmeter as potential difference as V as usual, and resistance you need to take RS. Total resistance we need to take. Right, everybody? Total resistance. All right, Shabnam Malla. All right. Anonymous user, I have 0.67. All right, Atmana, that's really good. So what I'm going to do over here is potential difference is 9 volt. There you go, 9 volt. Resistance in series, you have to add everything. So 12, right? 0.5, 0.5, 0.51. That will be 12. Adding all these three, you are getting 13, 0.4. So 13.4. Solve it further. I'm taking off this SI unit. Solve it further. It will be 90 divided by 134. Upside down, you multiply it with 10 to remove the decimal. Very good. And your answer is 0.678. Perfectly. All right. Beautiful. All right, guys. You guys are here. 116 attendees. That's really good for the beginning. That's perfect, guys. I really appreciate you guys' presence here. All right. All right, so let me go ahead with next one. So what I have next? So I want you guys to think upon little bit. See the question. I'm giving you a side. See the question and try to understand what it is telling. All right. I'm giving you a time to see this question and answer. All right. Sir, you look like JP Joe. You rock like. All right. Thanks, brother. Though I don't know him. All right. All right. It's just like I'm having fun on, the experience is like I'm having fun with myself only. All right. What gonna be the answer? What gonna be the answer? Still confused? That's the benefit of being here. Understanding? That's what that's what we need you guys to be here for this type of questions. All right. Atmana is telling me the answer for the same for all readings. Excellent explanation. Thanks, brother. Thanks. Appreciate it. All right. So I got only one answer so far. It will be same. Cyrus, Rayhan. 2 answers so far. Vote for some more answer. Let me see. D is the answer. 3 not sure though. That's really good. Appreciate it. That's really good. Appreciate it. Same for all readings. Perfectly. All right. Sharmila is here. All right. These guys. All right, same. D, Ali. All right, Ali. All right. It will be same. Perfectly all right. Now, if you have a close look in this circuit, clearly this is a circuit for Ohm's law in page number 203 of your NCERT. Right, guys? Right, this is clearly Ohm's law, and what we know in Ohm's law, if you keep on changing the terminal, say suppose it is 1 volt, if I change it to this part, you will get an ammeter reading and voltmeter reading. And what we know about ammeter reading and voltmeter reading, it gonna increase in same way, right? In same magnitude, what I mean, it gonna increase in same magnitude, right, guys? It gonna increase in same magnitude. All right, so if every point, say suppose I'm connecting it over here, all right, the ratio of both will increase in the same magnitude if I connect it over here, right? Next I'm connecting it over here, next I'm connecting it over here. If you're not understanding like that, I can give you a perfect example of this. Let's say the question is asked to figure out the ratio of R is equals with V divided by I. And what we know about Ohm's law, guys, you tell me V is directly proportional to I and R is constant. So in every point, 1, 2, 3 point, R gonna be constant. What's the meaning of constant? Same, right? So you're gonna tell, sir, it is same in all 4 points. I guess this question is very clear. All right, perfect. Your answer is same for all readings. It's a clear-cut NCERT question. All right, so I gonna end up this session with this last one. All right, I gonna end up with this session with this last one. I'm really sorry for the beginning. There were a little bit of sound issue, and you know what is sound, right? It's a form of energy, right? Yes, perfect, right? That produce sensation of hearing in our ear, ear, right? All right. So here, show how would you connect 3 resistors, each of 6 ohms, or the combination gives you 9 ohm. So you have got 3 resistors, right? So R1 value is equals to how much? 6 ohm. R2 is equals to how much? 6 ohm. R3 is equals to how much? 6 ohm. So you have 3 resistors, 6, 6, 6 each. And the question is, how you gonna connect this? How you gonna connect this in order to get an answer of how many ohm? 9 ohm. Right? And here you have an option, all in series. If I connect all in series, will you get 9? Of course not, right? So all in series means 6 plus 6 plus 6 is going to be 18. Right? So you are getting me. And what we know, if I connect everything in parallel, so if I connect everything in a parallel, and we know about in parallel, the value going to reduce least than the lowest value. So answer will be less than 6. It won't be parallel as well. So what is the other type of connection we have? Let me try figuring out 1 in series, 2 in parallel. Let me figure out 1 in series, and 2 in parallel. Let me try figuring out 1 in series and 2 in parallel. So 1 in series and 2 in parallel, 1 in series and 2 in parallel, 1 in series and 2 in parallel. So this is 6 ohm, right? This is 6 ohm, right? So this is 6 ohm, perfect. And this 2 is in parallel, whereas this is in series. So if I do this combination, what I will do, first of all, I will solve both. So 1 by Rp will be equals with 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. I am solving these 2 parallel first of all. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. Of course, this is going to be 2 divided by 6, right? Reciprocate, Rp will be equals to 6 divided by 2. Your answer is 3 ohm. And you know, once a parallel is solved, the resultant is always in series. We take the resultant in series. So this is series and this is series. 6 plus 3. What is your answer? Your answer is 9 ohm. right? So your answer is 9 ohms. So this 2 is your answer. Let me see. Wow, many of you guys have answered this. Many of you guys have answered this. All right, guys, you got me this that much clear in today's explanation. I supposed to go with some more question, but there are time constant. There should be mathematics go on as well. So, right, so we did around 14 questions, and I guess you have got every part very clear, and I promise you next session will be much more better compared to this, and we're gonna solve lots of answer. And thank you so much to all 120 people who participated so actively, and I am really appreciating you guys for all the good comments you guys are giving me over here. Perfect, guys. Nosat sir joined the class. Of course he will, is my brother, right? He should. I did invited him to join the class. All right, everyone. I'm taking your leave, and you have my friend Sivin sir will be joining very shortly. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. All right, Karthik, that's your face. I know it. All right.
Hello guys, a warm good evening. Hope all of you have enjoyed and studied the physics concept well. Yes, so now let's rock in maths. Before that, I want to tell you one thing. I want to share you one thing. Yesterday, we announced these live sessions in the group. Then, there are few students asked me, sir, what is the importance of these live sessions? So why should we join these live sessions? Then I asked to them, did you get your pre-board marks? They said yes. Then I asked, which section you lost more marks? They said, sir, MCQ part, multiple choice question, subject, okay, that MCQ part we lost the marks. Okay, then I said, that's why Team Brilliant is coming with 16 days of MCQ challenge. Okay, now let's rock in maths. So we will go with the first question. First one is, if 2 tan A is equal to 3, then the value of 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A is. So we will start. You know that while seeing these questions, most of them will start with the triangle method. But I prefer don't do with the triangle method. You observe the question carefully. In this question, they have given 2 tan A is equal to 3. Right? When you look at this one, this expression, the required expression, when you look at this required expression, in this required expression, there is sin A is there and cos A is there. If you divide this expression, both numerator and denominator, if you divide with cos A, then you can convert this expression in terms of tan A. Let's see. Okay, 4 sin A plus 3 cos A divided by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. This is our required expression. Now this one, both numerator and denominator, I'm going to divide with the cos A. Let's see. 4 sin A divided by cos A plus 3 cos A divided by cos A divided by 4 sin A divided by cos A. Both numerator and denominator we are dividing by cos, minus 3 cos A divided by cos A. So here we will get, that is equal to sin A by cos A. We know that is tan A, which is equal to 4 tan A plus 3 divided by 4 tan A minus 3. Now look at this given expression, 2 tan A is equal to 3, right? So from this expression we can find the tan A value. Tan A is equal to 3 by 2, and this tan A value we can substitute in this expression. So when you substitute this tan A value in this expression, we'll get it 4 into tan A is 3 by 2, tan A 3 by 2 plus 3 divided by 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. We can cancel this 4 and 2, we'll get it 2. Then these 4 and these 2 and 4 we can cancel, we'll get 2. So here we will get it 2 3s are 6. So we will get 6 plus 3 divided by 6 minus 3. 6 plus 3 divided by 6 minus 3 will get it. That is equal to 9 divided by 3. That our right answer is 3. So when you look at these options, option A is 7 by root 13, option B is 1 by root 13, option C is 3. So our right answer is option C. I hope all of you got the concept, right? Yes. Then we will move to the second question. The second question is maximum value of 1 by cosec theta, where theta varies from 0 to 90 degree. Where theta varies from 0 to 90 degree. So in this type of question, most of them are making the mistake. See, look at here. Look at here, the given expression is 1 by cosec theta. Given expression is 1 by cosec theta. You know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, right? So reciprocal of sin theta. So what you will get it 1 by cosec theta? We can write 1 by cosec theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta is equal to sin theta. 1 by cosec theta is equal to sin theta. And you know that sin theta maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. So without doing any calculation, we can find our answer is the maximum value of 1 by cosec theta is 1. 1 by cosec theta is 1. See, all of them are doing, yeah, very good, very good. Now the next question, we can move to the third question. if sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0, then the value of sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Then the value of sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta we need to find. So how can we find this one? So here the given expression is sine theta is equal to cos theta. We can convert this sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. This cos theta I can take into the right side, so that then we will get it sine theta is equal to, then we will get sine theta is equal to cos theta. Now both sides I'm going to divide by cos theta, so I will get it sine theta by cos theta is equal to cos theta divided by cos theta. So what I will get it, sine theta by cos theta, we know that sine theta by cos theta is tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So cos theta divided by cos theta is 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. Tell me in which angle tan gives 1? Yeah, you know that, right? Yes. So theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Now this theta value we can substitute in the required expression. We can substitute in the required expression. What is our required expression? Sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. We can substitute into the required expression. So what is the required expression? That sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. Now how we will substitute? Before that we can write this 4 theta as sine theta whole raised to 4 plus cos theta whole raised to 4. Cos theta whole raised to 4. We can write sine raised to 4 theta plus cos raised to 4 theta. We can write sine theta whole raised to 4 plus cos theta whole raised to 4. Yeah. Now we can substitute the theta value there. Sine theta, we can substitute the value sine theta. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Sine theta is equal to 45 degree. Sine 45 whole raised to 4 plus then cos 45 whole raised to 4. Cos 45 whole raised to 4. Then tell me what is sine theta value, sine 45 and cos 45 value. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, Nitin and Annie is commenting 1/2 is the answer. Yeah. Yes. There are a lot of students are commenting the answers. Yes, very good. So now we can sine 45 is 1/√2 whole raised to 4 plus cos 45 is also 1/√2 whole raised to 4. Then dear, tell me what is 1/√2 whole raised to 4? 1/√2 whole raised to 4. We know that 1/√2 whole raised to 4 is 1/2 into, okay, we can write 1/√2 raised to 4, which means √2 into √2 into √2 into 4 times we need to multiply √2, right? So when you multiply √2 into √2 will get 2, then again √2 into √2 will get 2, so then 1/4 we will get it. Here also we will get 1/4, which is equal to 1/2. So our answer is 1/2. When you look at the option A is 1, option B is 4/3, option C is equal to 1/2. Option C is equal to 1/2. Yeah, option C is equal to 1/2. Now we can move to the next question. Now we will move to the question number 5. Sorry, we will move to the question number 4. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A is equal to, I hope all of you know the answer, okay, without doing any calculation or without doing any steps. Are you able to answer? Let's see. I will give 1 minute, okay? So let's see. Yes, anybody, please comment it. There are a lot of students have, yeah, option D, okay, it's called option D is coming. So let's see. So we know that we know the identities, right? There are 3 identities we have studied. The first one is sine square A plus or sine square theta plus cos square A is equal to 1. Then the second one is 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. Then the third identity is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A, right? Using these 3 identities, easily we can find this answer. So the first one is, the given expression is 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A is, we know that 1 plus tan square A, look at here, 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. I can write that is equal to sec square A. Now, when you look in the second and third expression, that is 1 plus sine A into 1 minus sine A. Have you seen this one, this kind of expression anywhere? Look at here. This one we can write a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, right? So what is a plus b into a minus b? Yes, a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So we can use that identity here. We'll get it sin 6 square a into 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. 1 minus sin square a. So what is 1 minus sin square a? From this identity, from this, the first identity, when you take sin square a into the right side, so we'll get it cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So which means the sin square 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. 6 square a into 1 minus sin square a is cos square a. Cos square a. 6 square a into 1 minus cos square a. Then tell me what is sec square? We know that sec is the reciprocal function of cos, right? So directly you can write the answers, but I am explaining one more, okay, in one more step. So 1 sec square I can write 1 by cos square a, right? I can write 1 by cos square a. 1 by cos square a. I can write it into then cos square a. 1 by cos square a. Then cos square a into cos square a getting cancelled. So we'll get it. Answer is cos square a cancel. Then we'll get answer as 1. So our option is option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Then next we will move to the question number 5. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3, then find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. One of the important question, previous year question, okay? So please be very careful. This one. So sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 3. Then we need to find the value of tan theta plus cot theta. So how can we start this one? So here sin theta and cos theta is there. There is no converting function given. So we can square it both sides. When you square it this one, we'll get it sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equal to root 3 whole square, right? I'm squaring both sides. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. Then tell me what is sin theta plus cos theta whole square? So we can use the identity, use the identity a plus b whole square identity we can use here. So what is a plus b whole square identity? We'll get it sin square theta, correct? A square plus b square. B square is b is cos only. So therefore b square theta is cos square theta. Then one more term will be there, 2ab term, right? Which is equal to plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 sin theta into cos theta. Then what is the right hand side? What is the square of root 3? Which is equal to root 3 square is 3. Root 3 square is 3. Now what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? In the previous question we discussed the identity. The first identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So we can substitute that sin square theta plus cos square theta as 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. Then the next step, we can shift or we can take this one into the right side, right? So I'm taking this one into the right side. I will get it 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to, when you take 1 into the right side, we'll get 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. That is equal to 2. Now both side 2 I can cancel. I will get it sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now we need to find the tan theta plus cot theta value. Tan theta plus cot theta value. What I'm going to do is, we know that the first identity, from the first identity we can write or we can replace this 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? Because the left hand side of that first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Now that is equal to sin theta cos theta is equal to this 1. I'm going to replace by our first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I can write this one as sin square theta plus cos square theta. Next step, both side I'm going to divide it by sin theta cos theta. Sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Now when you look into the left hand side sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, same function, numerator and denominators are same, so we can cancel each other. We'll get LHS as 1, which is equal. Now right hand side separately we can divide sin square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Right? Then tell me what is the next step? Yes, sin square theta, very good, very good. Sin square theta and sin theta, this square and this sin theta we can cancel. Here cos square and this cos theta we can cancel. We'll get it 1 is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus the remaining one is cos theta by sin theta. Then tell me what is sin theta by cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta is tan and cos theta by sin theta is cot. So which is, you will get it 1 is equal to tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta will get it. So that is the required one. So the value of tan theta plus cot theta, for the value of tan theta plus cot theta, tan theta plus cot theta is 1. So our answer is option A is the one. Option A is Sheikh Abdul Wadud, yes, it is Rehan, Finin, Mridul, okay, Arya, Samir, Cyrus, yeah, everyone is saying the answers. Yes. Yeah, Tygoon, who is this Tygoon? Yeah, Asfar Ali, Nitin Place, yeah, Sheikh, yeah. Now we can move to the next question, question number 6. We will move to the next question, question number 6. If sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta, then the value of cot theta, So here given expression is sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta is equal to root 2 sin theta. Here we need to find the value of cot theta. Now how can we find the value of cot theta here? For that one, I'm taking the sin theta into the right side. I will get it cos theta is equal to root 2 sin theta minus sin theta. Root 2 minus sin theta. I'm shifting sin theta to the right side. So positive sin theta become negative sin theta. Hope all of you are getting. Now cos theta is equal to, look at here, both terms sin theta is common, so we can take sin theta common out, right? So when you take sin theta common out, sin theta into, so first term root 2 is remaining, here 1 is remaining, correct? Yes, sin theta into root 2 minus 1. The next step, we need to find the cot theta. Yeah, while seeing this step, you can understand what is the next step, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we will take sin theta into the left side. So we will get it cos theta divided by sin theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. What is cos theta by sin theta? Which is equal to cot theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. So what is our option? You can see that in our first option, A is equal to root 2 plus 1. Option B is root 2 minus 1. So our answer is option B, root 2 minus 1. Yes, Vanya. Yes, Mrudul. Yes, Atmana. Oh, yes, Vidya Lakshmi. Yes. Now, next we can move to the next question. Yes, Karthik, Sheikh, Abdul Wadud. Yes, everyone is coming with the answers. Yes. Now the next one is, if theta is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then find the value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Yeah, this is also an important previous year question, so please listen carefully. Okay, so we'll move to the question number 7. If theta is an acute angle and tan theta plus cot theta, here the given expression is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, and we need to find the value of sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Okay, in one way we can say that this question is a combination of trigonometry and quadratic equation. So let's see how can we solve this one. So the given expression is tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. This is the given expression. Now we know that cot is the reciprocal function of tan. Cot is the reciprocal function of tan. Cot is the reciprocal function of tan. Therefore, we can write tan theta plus cot theta as 1 by tan theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. So, tan theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to 2. Hope all of you understood. Cot theta, we can write 1 by tan theta. What is the next step? You know that we will take, okay, we'll cross multiply or we will take the LCM. Tan theta into tan theta is equal to, we can write tan square theta plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by 1 into tan theta is tan theta. Tan square theta plus 1 divided by tan theta is equal to 2. Next step, we can shift this denominator tan theta to the right side. We'll get it tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta plus 2 tan theta. Tan square theta plus 1 is equal to 2 tan theta. What is the next step? We can shift this 2 tan theta into the left side. We'll get it tan square theta minus, I'm taking this 2 tan theta into the left side, it becomes negative 2 tan theta plus 1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 is equal to 0. When you look at this expression, you can see that it's a quadratic equation in terms of tan. So how can we solve this one? How can we? So here we can factorize, or you can use the quadratic formula method. But remember, this is an MCQ. Maximum you will get it 2 minutes or 2.5 minutes. So if you use quadratic formulas and all, it will be very difficult. So we can factorize this one. When you look at this one, just imagine that tan theta is equal to x. Tan theta is equal to x. Tan theta is equal to x. Directly we can write, but I'm okay. So this is become x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is a simple quadratic equation, right? So we can write that this is x minus 1 the whole square. X minus 1 the whole square is equal to 0. Now what is our x value? X is tan theta. So we can substitute tan theta minus 1 is the whole square equal to 0. So both sides we can take the square root, right? Both sides when you take the square root, we'll get it tan theta minus 1 is equal to 0. Next step, tan theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is equal to 1. Then tell me what, in which angle tan gives 40, in which angle tan gives 1? You know that, right? Yeah, tan 45 is equal to 1. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So I will take the next page. So theta is, we will get it, tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore theta is equal to 45. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree. Now exactly what we need to find here. So when you look at this one, required expression sin cube theta plus cos cube theta we need to find. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta we need to find. So I'll write that expression here. Sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. Yeah, I think this kind of one question in the beginning we did it, some raised to 4, right? So the cube we can write sin theta the whole cube plus cos theta the whole cube, right? Now the next step is we can substitute the theta value. So what is sin 45 and cos 45 value? Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. So when you substitute this one, what you will get it? 1 by root 2 whole cube plus 1 by root 2 whole cube. So we'll write that one, sin 45 whole cube plus cos 45 whole cube. Now 45 degree, what is sin 45 degree value? So that is equal to 1 by root 2 whole cube plus 1 by root 2 whole cube. What is 1 by root 2 whole cube? You know that, right? 1 by root 2 whole cube is 1 divided by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So when you look at this expression, the both denominators are same. Therefore, we can add the numerator 2 by 2 root 2, 2 by 2 root 2. So we can cancel this one. We'll get it 1 by root 2. So we'll check which option is that one. Our final answer is 1 by root 2. Now we will check this one. Yeah, there is an option. Option C. Option C is 1 by root 2 is our answer. 1 by root 2 is our answer. You got it? Yes. Then we will move to the next question. Question number 8. If A cot theta plus B cosec theta is equal to P, and B cot theta plus A cosec theta is equal to Q, then P square minus Q square. Then P square minus Q square. So how can we find this one? So look at this identity. Look at the required identity. P square minus Q square. P square minus Q square. When you look at the required identity, so there itself we can understand we need to square the required expressions, right? We need to square the required expressions. Now we can write A cot theta plus B cosec theta equal to P. Now next step, I'm going to square it both sides. I'm going to squaring both sides. So when you square it this one, we'll get it A cot theta plus B cosec theta is whole square is equal to P square, is equal to P square. Now left hand side we can use the A plus B whole square identity. When you use A plus B whole square identity, so what you will get it? A square cot square theta plus B square cosec square theta. B square cosec square theta. Now 2AB term is there plus 2AB cot theta cosec theta. 2AB cot theta cosec theta. 2AB cot theta cosec theta. 2AB cot theta cosec theta, will get it. That is equal to P square. That is equal to P square. We can say, just for the timing, we can say that that is equation number 1. Now we'll take the second expression. B cot theta B cot theta plus A cosec theta is equal to Q. B cot theta plus A cosec theta is equal to Q. This one also we can square it both side. When you square it both side, you'll get it B square cot square theta plus A square cosec square theta plus, here also 2AB term is there, 2AB cot theta cosec theta, right? 2AB cot theta cosec theta is equal to Q square. So let's say that is equation number 2. Equation number 2. Now, what is the required expression? The required expression is P square minus Q square, which means we need to subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1. So, when you subtract equation number 2 from equation number 1, we get, the first one is A square cot square theta, A square cot square theta plus B square cosec square theta. Look at this one, positive 2AB cot theta cosec theta. Here also positive 2AB cot theta cosec theta. So we can cancel that one, right? So we can cancel. Then the remaining one will be, I will write the, use another color for the second expression. B square cot square theta plus A square, minus A square cosec square theta, minus A square cosec square theta is equal to, required one is P square minus Q square, P square minus Q square. So I am subtracting equation number 2 from equation number 1. When you subtract A square cot square theta plus B square cosec square theta, then the third time 2AB cot theta cosec theta. When you look into the second equation also, 2AB cot theta cosec theta, when you subtract, you can cancel each other, right? So the remaining one is A square cot square theta plus B square cosec square theta minus B square cot square theta minus A square cosec square theta is equal to P square minus Q square. Now we can arrange this one. So I'm going to do it. A square cot square theta and A square cosec square, the minus A square cosec square theta we can write together. I will add another page. A square cot square theta minus A square, let me check one, A square cosec square theta, A square cosec square theta plus, we'll get it B square cosec square theta, B square cosec square theta, then we'll get it B square minus B square cot square theta, minus B square cot square theta, we'll get it, which is equal to P square minus Q square, P square minus Q square, P square minus Q square. Yeah, there are a lot of, yeah, there are a lot of answers are coming. B square minus A square, yes, 1 by root 2, yes. Then A square cot square theta. Now from this one, from these, the first two term, we can take A square common out. When you take A square common out, A square into cot square theta minus cosec square theta. A square into cot square theta minus cosec square theta. The second one, say from the second expression we can take B square common out, we'll get it B square into cosec square theta minus cot square theta. B is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to P square minus Q square. Yeah, most of the answers are coming. Option C, Mohammad Arsh. Yeah, Rachana Sabu, yeah, option C. Now, when you look at the first expression and when you look at the second expression, cot square theta minus cosec square theta and cosec square theta minus cot square theta, we have an identity in our, right? 3 identities we have studied in trigonometry chapter. The third identity, or you can say that the cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, right? But when you look at the first one, that is the term is interchanging, so you can need to put a minus sign here, minus A square, because our identity is cosec square theta minus cot square theta, but it's okay, here it is cot square theta minus cosec square theta, minus A square plus B square is equal to P square minus Q square, P square minus Q square. So look at here, we can rearrange this one. B square minus A square is equal to P square minus Q square, P square minus Q square, will get it. Now this is our answer. We can check which option is that one. So when you look at the options, we'll get it. B square minus, yeah, A square minus B square, A square plus B square. Yes, B option C, B square minus A square is the answer. B square, yes, Mridul correct. Anya correct. Yes, Harvi Rhythms. So Rajana Sabu, yes, Karthik, yes, correct answers. Now we'll move to the question number 9. If sin A plus sin A square is equal to 1, then find the value of the expression cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. Cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. One of the easiest question. So easily you can answer this one. Now the given expression is the given expression is sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift the sin square into the right side. Sin square into the right. So from there I will get the sin A. Okay. Sin A value, sin A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A. You know that what is 1 minus sin square A? 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. So we'll get it sin A is equal to cos square A. Sin A is equal to cos square A. Sin A is equal to cos square A. Sin square A is equal to cos square A. Now, what is the required expression? Cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. Cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. Cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. Now, how can we write this one? Cos square A, then cos raised to 4A, I can write cos square A whole square. Right? Cos raised to 4A, I can write cos square A whole raised to 2. Or whole raised, okay. Now, what is the cos square A value? Cos square A is value is sin A. So, we will get it sin A. Cos square A is sin A. Sin A plus sin A whole square. Sin A whole square. Here it will become sin A plus sin square A. Okay, what is the value of sin A plus sin square A? Yes, yes, option 1. Because in the question they have given that sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. Sin A plus sin square A is equal to 1. So, we simplified this one. We simplified the cos square A plus cos raised to 4A. So finally we got sin A plus sin square A. Sin A plus sin square A. So sin A plus sin square A value is 1. So our final answer is 1. And our option, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. I hope all of you got it. This one. Yes, yes, coming as for anonymous, ghostly, are we? Yes, everyone is saying the answers. Yes, yes, correct, correct, correct. Now, when you look at the 10th one, okay, next question, this is the last question from the trigonometry chapter. If x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. X sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta cos theta. We can write this one, x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Now it's given that x sin theta is equal to y cos theta. We will take that. We'll consider that one. Before that, we can just simplify the first expression. So x sin cube theta, we can write x sin theta into sin square theta. We can write x sin theta into sin square theta. X sin theta into sin square theta. Correct? Now, next one I can write y cos theta into cos square theta. Y cos theta into cos square theta. Y cos theta into cos square theta. Now, look at the given second expression, x sin theta is equal to y cos theta. So that x sin theta value here, I am going to substitute y cos theta. So this expression I can change it to y cos theta plus sin square theta plus y cos theta into cos square theta. Y cos theta into cos square theta. Then tell me what is the next step? Yes, you can say that y cos theta is common in both expression, this one. So y cos theta we can take it common out. Y cos theta is equal to, here right hand side is there, sin theta into cos theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Yes, sin theta into cos theta. So y cos theta we can take it common out. We'll get it sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So you know that what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? So this expression we can reduce to y cos theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta. So from the left hand side and right hand side you can cancel the cos theta. We'll get y is equal to sin theta. Let's y cos theta is equal to sin theta into cos theta, right? Cos theta and cos theta cancel. Y is equal to sin theta. We got y is equal to sin theta. Now let's consider the second expression given in the question, that is y x sin theta. X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. Y cos theta. X sin theta is equal to y cos theta. See, we got the value of y. Y is y sin theta, right? So y is sin theta. So x sin theta is equal to y is sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So from the both side we can cancel sin theta and sin theta. We'll get x is equal to cos theta. We'll get x is equal to cos theta. We'll get x is equal to cos theta. So what is the required expression? Yes, x square plus y square. X square plus y square. We need to find the value of x square plus y square, right? So we know that x is cos theta and y is sin theta. So we can substitute that value, right? X square plus y square. Yes, answer is coming. Cos square plus sin square is 1. Yes. Shivan, Mridul, rhythms. Yes, Mridul is giving continuous answers. Yes, correct. So which is equal to sin. Okay, x is, what is x value? X is cos theta and y is sin theta, which is equal to cos theta whole square plus sin theta whole square. So you know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So our answer is 1. So let's see which option that one. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. So these are the very important trigonometry chapter MCQs. Now we'll move to the quadratic equations. So quadratic equation, first question. You know that these are the two major chapters, okay, which is coming for your board exam. So first one will be the first. If minus 4 is a root of the equation x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0, and the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 has equal roots, find the values of p and q. Find the values of p and q. Find the values of p and q. Now the first condition is minus 4 is a root of the quadratic equation. Minus 4 is a root of the quadratic equation. So we will consider that concept here, okay. If the expression is, okay, the quadratic equation is x square plus px minus 4 is equal to 0. It's given minus 4 is a root. Minus 4 is a root. So we can put x is equal to minus 4 here. Minus 4 the whole square plus p into minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is minus 4 the whole square? 16. We'll get it. 16 minus 4p. 16 minus 4p minus 4 is equal to 0. 16 minus 4p minus 4 is equal to 0. What is 16 minus 4? Yes, 12 will get it. Minus 4p plus 12 is equal to 0. Take 12 into the right side. Minus 4p is equal to minus 12. Then p is equal to minus 12 divided by minus 4, which is equal to 3. P is equal to 3. This is not our answer. So we need to find the value of pq also, right? So for that one we can use the p value in the second equation. What is second equation? X square plus p is 3. So x square plus 3x plus q is equal to 0. It's given that has equal roots. What do you mean by a quadratic equation has equal roots? You know that the discriminant value is equal to 0, which means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now we can find the discriminant value of this quadratic equation. So b square minus 4ac, we know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is value of a, b, c? Value of a is equal to 1, value of b is positive 3, and value of c is q. So that values we can substitute in this equation. So here b square is 3 square minus 4 into 1 into q is equal to 0. So we'll get it 9 minus 4q is equal to 0. We can shift 4q into the right side or 9 into the right side. I'm taking 4q. 9 is equal to 4q. Therefore 9 by 4 is equal to q. 9 by 4 is equal to q. So here we got it. P is equal to 3 and q is equal to 9 by 4. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. X2 gamer. Yeah, option D is the correct answer. Yes. All of you please come with your original name, okay? Original ID. So don't come with the fake IDs. Yes. So we'll move to the second question. So question number 12. The value of k, so that the quadratic equation has two equal roots. The value of a, the quadratic equation has two equal, same concept, equal roots. The quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Same concept, a quadratic equation has equal roots, then the discriminant is equal to 0. Discriminant is equal to 0. You can use that concept here. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is the value of b? K square minus 4 into a is 2 C is 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. K square minus 24. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. K square minus 24 is equal to 0. Therefore, K square is equal to 24. K square is equal to 24. Then tell me what is the value of K? Anyway, okay, please. K, okay. A is equal to 2, B is equal to K. Value of K is equal to square root of 24. What is square root of 24 from the options? Anybody? Yes, option A, plus or minus 2 root 6. Plus or minus 2 root 6. Yes, K is equal to root 24. We can write root of 4 into 6. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So here plus or minus is there. K is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6 is the answer. Plus or minus 2 root 6. Our option A is the correct answer. Plus or minus 2 root 6 is the correct answer. Yes, option A. Yes. Now we can move to the 13th question. X square plus 1 minus x square is equal to 0. Yes. So this question, I think we have given in the mock test. I think then most of them made mistake in this one. So let's see how can we solve this one. X square plus 1 the whole square minus x square is equal to 0. X square plus 1 the whole square minus x square is equal to 0. There are 2-3 methods are there. First one, I am taking this x square into the right side. Then x square plus 1 the whole square is equal to x square. X square plus 1 the whole square is equal to x square. Now what I am going to take is, I am going to take the square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. Yes, already answers came. Yes, Anya, correct. No real roots. Yes, correct. So x square, I am going to take the square root on both sides. I will get it. X square plus 1 is equal to plus or minus x. X square plus 1 is equal to plus or minus x. When you take the square root, don't forget plus or minus sign. Okay, there, which means there are two values is there. So first value I will consider plus x. I will consider x square plus 1 is equal to positive x. I will consider. Okay, so that positive x I am taking to the left side. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. I am going to find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. You know that how to find the discriminant, right? B square minus 4ac we can find here, minus 1 square, right? B square, B value is minus 1 and 4 into A is 1, C is also 1. So what is 1 minus 4 which is equal to minus 3 less than 0. You know that what is, if discriminant is less than 0, what happened? There is no real root exists. There is one more case is there. We can consider that one also. We'll check that one also. Then after that we can conclude. So what is second case? X square plus 1 is equal to minus x is there. So that also we can consider. X square plus 1 is equal to minus x. X square plus 1 is equal to minus x. Yes, it's C. Option C is coming. Yes, x square plus minus. Now, when you take minus x into this side, x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, we got a second quadratic equation. We'll find the discriminant, or we can check the nature of the roots, right? So, b square minus 4ac. B value is 1 square minus 4 into A is 1, C is also 1, right? Which is equal to 1 minus 4, that is also minus 3. So, you can say that is also less than 0. So, in both cases, we got discriminant is less than 0. So, what happened? Discriminant is less than 0. You know that discriminant, yes, discriminant is less than 0. Then, answer is no real roots, right? If the discriminant is less than 0, then the answer is no real roots. Don't, okay, in the subjective exam, don't write that there is no roots. Roots are existing. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, roots are existing, but that is imaginary. That's beyond your syllabus. Don't, in the subjective questions, don't write there is no roots. You need to write there is no real root exist. Yes, I hope all of you got it. So, we'll move to the question number 14. If the equation x square minus kx plus 1 is equal to 0 has real roots, then has no real roots, then find the value of k. Then find the value of k. So what do you mean? Okay, has no real roots. Just now we explained, if any quadratic equation has no real roots, then the discriminant value is less than 0. Less than 0. So we can write our expression is x square minus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. Our b square minus 4ac value, we can check it. What is b square minus 4ac? Yeah, it's given that has no real roots. So therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So what is b square? Minus k whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is also 1, right? Less than 0. So we'll get it minus k whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. So what is minus k whole square? So that is k square minus 4 less than 0. K square minus 4 less than 0. So then we can take 4 into the right side. K square less than 4. K square less than 4. Yeah, these kind of inequalities, most of them are making mistake. So whether it is less than or greater than, so you need to write the answers very carefully. So here I will give an expression x square less than or equal to a square. X square less than or equal to a square, or then after that I will write the strictly less than one also. X square less than or equal to a square. Remember, the value of x varies from minus a to positive a. Minus a to positive. If it is strictly less than also, x square less than a square, then the value of a varies from a minus a to x less than a. Minus a to x less than a. So now from this one easily you can say that the correct answers, Sami, option A is coming, option A is correct. So we can write this one, we can write k square less than 2 square. Now tell me then what is options? Yes, Samir is coming, and option A, Shivan, yes, k square less than 2 square, therefore k values varies from minus 2 to positive 2, k values. So our answer is option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer because has no real roots. Mridul, option K is less than 2. Okay. Yes. Now we can move to the next question. I hope all of you understood how to take this inequality, x square less than or equal to a square. So which means square of some numbers less than a square. Square of some numbers less than a square. Therefore we can say that that numbers varies from minus a to positive a. Minus a to positive a. Strictly less than case also exactly same thing only. Just avoid the equality sign. I hope all of you understood this one. Yes. We'll move to the question number 15. Yeah, the least positive value of k for which the quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0 has a rational root. Guys, please be very careful with this one. One of the very important question. The least positive value of k for which the quadratic equation has 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, I'll write the given expression 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0. So how can we solve this one? Okay, so we need to find the least positive value of k for which this quadratic equation has rational root. Rational root. Yes, remember, if a quadratic equation having rational roots, its discriminant b square minus 4ac must be a perfect square. I'm repeating, if a quadratic equation has a rational roots, then its discriminant b square minus 4ac must be a perfect square. So we can find the b square minus 4ac value from this one, k square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4, which is equal to k square minus 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 2, that is k square plus 32, k square plus 32. So I've told you this, okay, a quadratic equation has rational roots, then its discriminant must be a perfect square. Then tell me which is the nearest perfect square of 32. You know that is the higher value is 30, the nearest and the greater value is 32. We cannot consider the lower value. Because I will tell you why. If you consider the lower, the perfect square, which is 25 is the perfect, right? When you consider 25, so here we need to subtract 7. We need to subtract 7, which means k square is negative 7. So square of a number cannot be 17. So it cannot be minus 7. So what happened? Then we will take positive 36. So which means to get 36, k square must be 4. K square must be 4. K square must be 4. So k is equal to positive 2. K is plus or minus 2. But in the option they are asking least positive value. So we can say that our answer is option B, because the positive value of k is positive 2. I hope all of you understood. I will repeat this question once again because that very important question. If a quadratic equation has rational roots, then its discriminant must be a perfect square. So that's why we are finding the discriminant b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is k square plus 32. So we consider the nearest and the greater perfect square, which is 36. To get 36 we need to add 4, which means k square must be 4, right? So k square is 4, then k is equal to plus or minus 2. So the least positive value of k is positive 2. Yes. Then question number 16. Each root of x is, okay, x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 decreased by 2, then the resulting equation is x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. The given, okay, first one, the given expression x square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 and each root is decreased by 2. So let's consider the roots are alpha and beta. Let's consider the roots are alpha and beta. So each root is decreased by 2. So before that, we can consider what is alpha plus beta from this equation. What is alpha plus beta? Minus of b by a minus of minus b. So it is equal to b by 1, which is equal to b. Then what is alpha beta value? Alpha beta is equal to c by 1, which is equal to c. Which is equal to c. We got it. Alpha plus beta as positive b and alpha beta is equal to, alpha plus beta is positive b and alpha beta is equal to positive c. Now we can consider the given condition. Each root is decreased by 2. Each root is decreased by 2, which means alpha become alpha minus 2 and beta become beta minus 2. The new roots are alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2. New roots are alpha minus 2 and beta minus 2. Then the resulting equation is x square minus 2x plus 1. So we'll consider the sum of the roots concept. Alpha minus 2 plus beta minus 2. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus of minus 2. Minus of minus 2 become positive 2. So we can directly write positive 2, right? Because b is negative 2 here, b is negative 2 here. So when you consider the minus b, so minus b, minus of minus 2 become positive 2. So that is equal to alpha plus beta minus 4 is equal to 2. Alpha plus beta minus 4 is equal to 2. So alpha plus beta you can take into the right side. Alpha plus beta is equal to 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Now next we can consider the product of this root. So we have alpha plus beta value, that is alpha plus beta is b. B value we got it, that is 6. Alright, okay, come to it. Now we'll consider that one, alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2. Alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2. So when you find the alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2, then what you will get it? We can multiply this one. Yeah, so right hand side will be c by a, right? What is c value? C is 1 in this equation. Alpha minus 2 into beta minus 2. Now we can multiply. When you multiply alpha beta minus, we can write 2 into alpha plus beta. Minus 2 into alpha plus beta minus plus 4 is equal to 1. Plus 4 is equal to 1. We'll go to the next page. Alpha beta minus 2 alpha. Okay. So it's our expression is alpha beta minus 2 into alpha plus beta plus 4 is equal to 1. Plus 4 is equal to 1. So what is the next step? We can shift positive 4 into the right side and we can substitute alpha plus beta value in the equation. What is alpha plus beta value? Alpha plus beta value is 6. Okay, that we can substitute in the equation. Then alpha beta minus 2 into 6 is equal to 1 minus 4. That 4 I am taking right side. Alpha beta minus 12 is equal to minus 3. Alpha beta is equal to minus 3 plus 12. We will get it. Minus 3 plus 12. We will get it. What is alpha beta value? Alpha beta is equal to 9. Alpha beta is 9. So what is alpha beta basically? Alpha beta is c and that c is equal to 9. So yes, c is equal to 9 and we got here b is equal to 6. C is 9, b is 6. Which option that one? C is equal to 9. Yes, option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, there are Mridul, Shivan, Samir. Yes, okay, correct. Then we can move to the next one. Question number 17. If one root of the quadratic equation k square plus 4 x square plus 13x plus 4k is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. I think you know that this question, right? So the roots we can consider as alpha and 1 by alpha because the one root is reciprocal of the other. One root is reciprocal of the other. So we can take it, we can consider the quadratic equation k square plus 4 into x square plus 13x plus 4k. This is the given quadratic equation and our roots we are considering as alpha and 1 by alpha. You know that product of the roots, right? Product of the roots, alpha into 1 by alpha. So what is alpha into 1 product of the roots? We will get it c by a, correct? Which is equal to 4k divided by k square plus 4. 4k divided by k square plus 4. Now what is alpha into 1 by alpha? Alpha into 1 by alpha, alpha we can cancel. We'll get it 1 is equal to 4k by k square plus 4. 4k by k square plus 4. What is the next step? Yeah, we can shift k square plus 4 into the left side. When you take 4k square plus 4, we can take it k square plus 4 is equal to 4k. Next step, we can shift 4k also into the left side. We'll get it k square minus 4k plus 4 is equal to 0. So what is this one? K square minus 4k plus 4. It's a quadratic equation in terms of k, and easily you can factorize this one. This is k minus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. K minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Therefore k minus 2 is equal to 0. K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2. So yes, option A is correct. Shivan. Yes, correct answer. K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2 is the correct answer. K is equal to 2 is the correct answer. Yes. Then we will move to the next question. Question number 18. If root of the quadratic equation a minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0 are equal, then find the value of b plus c. I'll write the equation here. A minus b into x square plus b minus c into x plus c minus a is equal to 0. It's given in this question the roots of these equations are equal. I think already we discussed in a quadratic equation, if the roots are equal, then the discriminant b square minus 4ac value is equal to 0. So if the roots are equal, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So we can find the discriminant of this quadratic equation. So which is equal to b minus c whole square minus 4 into a minus b into c minus a. We'll get it. That is equal to 0. Now we can expand this one. What is a? B minus c whole square. B minus c whole square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc. Minus 4 into, we can open this bracket, a into ac minus a square plus minus bc plus ab is equal to 0. Now in the next step, we can take this 4 inside. So we'll get it b square plus c square minus 2bc. Correct? Now when you take minus 4 on the right side, minus 4ac plus 4a square minus 4 minus into minus 4bc. So this is minus b into this has become minus bc. So it become plus 4bc. Then minus into minus 4ab is equal to 0. Minus 4ab is equal to 0. Yes. Then the next step we can write. Look at here. Minus 2bc and plus 4bc we can subtract, right? So we'll get it. So I will write 4a square first. 4a square plus b square plus c square. Then minus 4ab minus 4ab, then minus 2bc plus 4bc, right? What is that one? Plus 2bc, then minus 4ac is equal to 0. This one, grade 9 concept, we need to factorize a plus b plus c whole square identity. So we can check how can we solve this one. 4a square we can write 2a the whole square plus b square, then b square plus c square minus 4ab. You know that what is a plus b plus c whole square? A square plus b square plus c square minus 2a, right? Plus 2ab. So that one you can write 2 into, because our a value is 2a only. So 2 into plus, I will put the sign, okay, after some time, plus 2 into 2a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into 2a into c. Now look at here. When you see this one here, minus 4ab and minus 4ac is common, right? Minus 4ab minus 4ac is common. So in this both term, which one is common? Yeah, the first term a is common. Therefore we can put the negative sign for this one, minus 2a minus 2a minus 2a. So this expression, the next step, I will take the next page. This expression I can write minus 2a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to 0. Minus 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. The next step we can take square root on both sides. Minus 2a plus b plus c is equal to 0. When you take square root on both sides, yeah, square root of 0 is 0. So 2a you can take into right side. B plus c is equal to 2a. B plus c is equal to 2a. Yes, Anya. Yes, Alicia. It's getting correct. Okay, thank you. So Arya, Bishwas. Yes, Anya, correct answer. Yes, b plus c is equal to 2a. B plus c is equal to 2a. So we can check which option is that one. Yes, b plus c is equal to, yes, our option A is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. I hope all of you got it. One of the important question. Yes, we'll move to the next question. Yeah, we are almost going to wind up. So the 19th one, the condition of for one root of the quadratic equation ax square minus bx plus c is equal to 0 be twice the other one. So it's given one root is twice the other. So let's, okay, we can consider first root is alpha, then the second root is twice the other one. So we'll take 2 alpha, right? One root is alpha, then the other root is 2 alpha. So from the equation ax square minus bx plus c, first we can find the sum of the roots, then we can find the product of the roots. First I am going to find the sum of the root alpha plus 2 alpha. So you know that what is sum of the root? Minus of b by a, right? What is minus of b by a? So minus of minus b, which is equal to b by a, because minus of minus b become positive, b by a. So which is equal to 3 alpha is equal to b by a. I am taking 3 into the right side. Alpha is equal to b by 3a. Now I am considering the product of the roots. Product of the roots we can consider alpha into 2 alpha is equal to, what is product of the roots? Product of the roots is c by a. Product of the roots is c by a. So that is 2 alpha square is equal to c by a. 2 alpha square is equal to c by a. I am taking c 2 into the right side. Alpha square is equal to c by 2a. The first expression we got alpha value, and the second expression we got alpha square value. Alpha value we can substitute there in the second expression, right? So alpha is b by 3a whole square is equal to c by 2a. What is b by 3a the whole square? It become b square by 9a square equal to c by 2a. So a, c by 2a. A and with the square we can cancel. We'll get it. B square by 9a is equal to c by 2. When you cross multiply, what you will get it? So 2 you can take into right side, and this one will take into the right side. 2b square is equal to 9ac. 2b square is equal to 9ac is the expression. Now we can check which option is that one. Yes, b square is equal to 4ac. 2b square is equal to 9ac. 2b square is equal to 9ac. So option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. So we are moving to the last question. If the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has equal roots, one of the easiest question, easily we can write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then this equation has equal roots. You know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 4ac, right? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. B square is equal to 4ac. So we need to find the value of c. C is equal to 4a. We can take in right side. B square by 4a. B square by 4a. Which option? So you can check the option. C is equal to b square by 4a. B square by 4a. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. I hope all of you understood today's physics and maths concept. So please inform, please inform your friends also about the live classes, and please subscribe and please enable the link, bell button to get the more updates and more classes. That's it for today. For the time being, good night and goodbye.
Hi everyone, welcome to
amazing channel of Brilliant Qatar.
In a circuit, cells can be connected in series or in parallel. So in which case we'll be getting more current, or maximum current.
Halogen connected carbon sp3, then it's connected to benzene. See all of you, halogen connected. What is this carbon hybridization? Full single bond sp3, see then a benzene ring.
Denominator poles shouldn't be included in the denominator poles. That means the denominator, these -1 and -5 should never be included in the solution.
Homocircle caudal fin. It's giving two equal lobes. But in case of cartilage fishes, look at here, one big lobe is there, one small lobe is there. You cannot cut into two equal half this fin.